Hello plushies, welcome back, and today we are playing I Am Cat, and we have my grandma. And now, today, in I Am Cat, comment down below if you want me to play this game some more. But, look, this man's sleeping. But anyway, we're gonna just bonk this can. Oh, my grandma, I don't think my grandma's okay. Man. Hey, I'm not gonna break it. It won't let me. It won't let me do it. I don't know if that's a glitch with my game. Oh, okay, it works. Anyway, I think it's time that this. Oh my gosh, you get in there. Oh no, these guys are fast. Get me. Oh, come here. You're trying to run away from me. I'm gonna put you in my mouth and grab you. I'm gonna grab Yellow. If I can. Yellow, come over here. Yellow's like a penguin. Oh, I messed up. But anyway. Okay, my grandma just quitted watching TV. And I want to watch it. Never mind. Oh, why? Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, I'm a wall run. I'm stuck. I am stuck. Oh, God. Yeah, guys, I'm going to play piano. Let me know if that sounds good. I couldn't really hear it as much. Anyway, my guy is so slow. My cat! Yeah, basically in this game, you're a cat. And now it's red. Do a red 0. Makes no sense. Anyway, we're gonna go. I kind of want to get outside in this game. Is it possible? I mean, it's possible to go on the fish tank. Let's go feed the fish. Let's go feed this fish. Oh, wrong way. We're throwing it in. See, look, now they have infinite food. Look, guys. That's a good thing. Now they have infinite food. Okay? It's not a bad thing. Infinite food. Okay, I should probably get that out of there. Because I want to feed them. No! Grandma! It's right there. My guy is not moving. Sorry, for some reason my cat is moving very slow. Where's my hand? Okay, we got it. Get you some food. Let's there. Throw that in. And that kind of makes me hungry, so I'm going to get some food. If my guy can move to the food. Let's go. We'll see. Get out of here. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, this is good. This is some good stuff. Bro, this is some good stuff. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. I'm gonna get some water. Bro, I'm gonna get some water. Okay, let's get some water. Let's go drink it. No, no. Let's go. No. Yeah, you guys can get these gold claws from just hitting rate us. You don't have to actually do anything. You just hit rate us and you get the gold claws. The game, by the way, is called I Am Cat. Yeah. No, I'm stealing all the bread. I'm literally gonna just take all this bread because I like bread. I like bread. I'm taking the bread. I like bread. Okay, so now we're gonna put the plate in here. It's my favorite one. Okay, I'm done with those. So I'm gonna take this plate with me, and this, even though this game's kind of about destroying, I don't want this one to get burnt, so I'm gonna put it in there and cook some, like a sandwich. Well, okay, we don't have proper ingredients. My grandma is perfect, not giving us proper ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna grab this bread. Let's go grab this bread. Okay, that's a nice sandwich. Okay, okay, boom. Probably should close that. Okay, I'll do it when it's done. Let's also cook some. What's already done? Okay, give me some. Oh, I can't eat. I can't eat the bread. Never mind. Ooh. Dang, bro! I almost did that. Okay, I need a mug. Okay, got a mug. I'ma fill it with water. That was an accident. Okay, my grandma doesn't care, so that's a good thing. That was an accident. I was trying to get me some nice cold water in the mug. Give me the dang cup! Okay, we got it. Now, I'm gonna bring it to the water and then put it in the fridge for a little bit. Boom, boom. Okay, wait, that's all it was? Okay. That was a waste of my time. Care and order. Find the fish and return it. I know where one of the fishies are. We have to get on top of the fridge. The fridge. Okay, so we are. Yeah, look. Yeah, one of them's on top of the fridge. Basically. Sorry. Anyway. Okay, my grandma's staring at darkness. I don't know if that's the best thing. And you can be nice when you want to be nice. Still arguing me. Okay. What do you need? What do you need? Fishing. Get the fish out of the aquarium. Where's the fishing rod? Can I go into the aquarium? Oh, do I trick them with the fish food? I don't know how to take it. How am I supposed to do this? Come on, bro. Come on, fishy. Come on, fishy. Come on. No, oh, okay. I'm doing this because the task is tell me to. I wouldn't be doing this if the task wasn't telling me. The fish is moving away! Dang it. Let's fish get up higher. Why is he not higher? He can't get higher than that. He can't get higher than that. I think I'm wasting all the food. How am I supposed to get them out? You can't get them out. You can't get them out. I don't know what the game's saying. You can't get them out. Let me get your paw like in here a little bit. You can't get them out. Why is the game capping? Why did the fish food just go over there? Grab them. You can't grab them. Okay, I don't know why the game's just lying to me. How am I supposed to get them out? This makes no sense. Why? What am I supposed to do? Fish? There's no fishing rod. Like, what? Okay, I don't know why the game keeps lying to me. This is one of the games that makes you confused. I don't know why. Like, literally, there's no fishing rod.
Yeah, that came out in the 80s.
See, look, I'm goated. There's no fishing rod. Oh my gosh. Okay, I almost just died. Bro, is this cat dumb? Move. Oh, there you are here. Is that what I'm supposed to do? What am I supposed to be doing? Catch one. Do I just throw them in and then? How do I grab them? You can't grab them. Yo, you literally can't grab them. Sorry, Grandma. Anyway. Like, why is the grandma ain't doing actually anything. The grandma's starting to be the thing that I'm upset about now. I didn't actually know you could climb up the walls before. Even though they literally showed that in the trailer. Where is a fishing rod? I'm just doing this for fun. So then she gets upset at me. I'll show you how bad of a grandma this is. Like, bruh. I'm doing that for content reasons. Okay, but where is a fishing rod? There's no fishing rod in the whole place. Move! My guy won't move again. Move. I swear if they just put a random fishing rod, that would just be weird. Because there is no fishing rod. Wow, am I supposed to do this? Am I supposed to cook them or something? You can't get them. They're too fast, bro. You can't actually physically get them. What's a way to get them? Can I move? Can I move? Get this out of here. No boxes on my watch. If I'm not going to be able to find a dang fishing rod, then I'm throwing out all your boxes. How to load? I'm out of here. Anyway, for Grandma being so rude, I'm kind of being upset at Grandma because she's being so rude, bro. I'm throwing that. I just threw that because my grandma was being so rude. Like, she wasn't doing anything. Fine, I'm doing this. Okay, let go. Yeah. Let go. Bop. Bro, what about pink? The moment I get off of pink, there you go. I'm just goated. No, I'm goated. I'm goated. I'm doing this. I haven't missed one. This is impossible! Yo, if people are able to actually beat this, they're like literally a legend. I can't, it's hard when my character no clips. But yeah, before we end the video, I want to say great thanks for Lazy Grandma for joining us. Yeah, that'll be it for today. We have to end it on a TV show. By the way, go install I Am Cat. We have plush. That's it. See ya.